Welcome to Gemara Academy. In this class, we will present an introduction to Tosfos Dibra Maschal Bar Mahanitlas. This is also the same introduction for the next Tosfos, Tosfos Dibra Maschal Atzad Nachash. Let's begin. Regarding the malachas of Shabbos, we learned that they need to be malachas machsheves. It says in the pasuk that Hashem filled B'Tzalel with a ruach to do kol malachas machsheves. Malachas machsheves means it needs to be calculated. As a result, there are various ways that a person can do a malacha, that there are opinions that hold it doesn't qualify as malachas machshavas, as calculated, and therefore the person is patur for doing the malacha. We'll present three such categories. The first one is misasik, when a person was busy doing something which is mutter, and by mistake he did something which is asur. For example, he was cutting something which is mutter to cut, and by mistake he cut something which he's not allowed to cut. There are opinions that hold that that's not considered calculated, it's not considered malachas machshavas, and therefore he's patur. The next category is davar she'eina miskaven, something which the person doesn't have intention of doing. For the regular example that's used for this is a person dragging a bench across the earth, and it's digging into the ground. There's a malacha of chayrish that a person is not allowed to plow. Here he dug into the ground and he made an extended opening, an extended digging into the ground, which would be usher. However, it's davar she'eina miskaven, and it's not what he wants to do. He just wants to bring the bench. As a result of dragging it, he ended up digging into the earth. In that case, there are opinions that hold that he's not chayev since it's not a malachas machshavas. It's a davar she'eina miskaven. The third example is malacha she'eina tzricha l'gufa, malacha that it doesn't need it for itself. For example, we have one in our Gemara when a person trapped a snake not because he wants the snake, but just because he doesn't want the bother, the pain of having the snake there, which he's frightened of. So it's not a calculated malacha because he's not doing something that is useful, like capturing the snake to have it. He's just doing it to avoid a problem. In these three examples, there are various opinions that hold that one is pater while the others are chayev for whatever reason. But the point is that in all three of these cases, there's a certain lack in malachas machshavas, and as a result, there are opinions that will hold that the person is pater if he did a malacha in one of these ways.